What's up, bro? In this video, my job is to make trading looks ridiculously easy for you. Let's get right into it. Before we do that, I want you to scroll down right now and click on that like button. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Bam! Alright, let's go. Now we are ready to go. You still have not hit the like button yet, right? By the end of this video, if you learn one thing, just one thing, if you take away one thing, then you have to promise me that you will like this video. Let's get right into it. So right now we are looking at Euro USD, and right now Euro USD have literally went to parity, which is the $1 flat. You see, $1 flat. Euro USD has went there exactly, and guess what? I predicted that in the last episode, the last unfiltered trading episode or something. I remember I said that Euro USD is gonna go to $1 flat. Let me roll the clip right now. Even go down to this $1 flat, because I've seen like an article that says that like Euro USD is going to like the $1 flat or something. But basically, that is what Euro USD can do also. It can either go down to this $1 flat. So how did I manage to predict that? Because you must understand that price moved from major level to the next major level. If you have looked at the levels that I marked up right here, 1.3, 1.2, 1.1 and 1.0, what do they have in common? They are super nice whole numbers. They are like literally perfect whole numbers, and between all of this range, it is 1000 pips. Alright, so 1000 pips right here, 1000 pips, and the next level 1000 pips. Right, so these are the major levels that price is respecting. So what you can do before you do anything is that you can mark up price in every 1000 pips. You can see 1000 pip, 1000 pip, 1000 pips. So all of these are like the major levels, and this is really good, especially if you are swing trading. Alright, so if you look towards the left, you can see, oh my god, guys, look at that. Price is respecting all of these levels. There is a reason why when price is right here at this 1.3 level, it goes down to this 1.2 level next, and then once you break through the 1.2 level, it goes to this 1.1 level next. There is a reason for that. Price do not just go anywhere. The price do not just run around, right? It moves from one major level to the next major level. That's the first point that you have to take away from today. Mark up your major levels, see price move from one level to the next level just like magic. Alright, this is literally magical. The market is just art. Alright, so right now we are still on the weekly time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame and see. Euro USD has been a downtrend. It's still in a downtrend, and I do not expect it to reverse anytime soon. Right, like right now price is still in a very beautiful downtrend, and for it to become an uptrend, remember what I have to say. It has to break structure. Right, you have to break structure and break this trend line, then it becomes like a beautiful uptrend. But if not, it is still a downtrend. Price can easily still go down here and come back down to this 1.0 level. Alright, so price is still a downtrend, and you always want to make sure you trade with the trend. Never ever trade against the trend. Alright, that's the second point. Never ever trade against the trend. Right now we have this beautiful downtrend, so you should only be looking to sell. The reason for that is because if you enter for a buy, let's say you go down to the 115-minute time frame, and then you see like, oh, price did this beautiful uptrend, and you think that is an uptrend, so you enter for a buy. Guess what? You will never ever know when price is gonna wipe you out, when the overall bigger trend is gonna wipe you out. So right now it can be an uptrend, but guess what? When London session hit, when the New York session hit, when the market decide that right now this retracement is done, we're gonna go back in a downtrend, then the market is gonna topple like 100 pips. That is why you must trade with the trend, unless you want to get wiped out and you want to lose your account. Yup, so right now when price is at a key level, remember price can only do two things. Alright, remember, right, this is a very good point. When price just bounce off like this, you do not want to enter for a buy yet. Alright, never ever enter right here when price immediately bounce off this key level. What you want to do is to wait for price to create some sort of higher low right here like this, and then it starts going up. Then that is when you enter for a buy. However, price can also come back down to retest this 1.0 level and create like a double bottom and then go up, or price can even like consolidate at this level. Alright, there is so many things that price can do at this key level. That is why we do not assume that price is gonna go up or down immediately when price is at a key level, because price can do so many things, right? And what we want to do is to react to the market, wait for the market to show us some sign of like reversal, or is price gonna break past this level. Then that is when we enter for the trade. But right now price just bounced off. You do not want to assume, man. You do not want to assume. You're getting me angry, man. You're getting me pissed off, man. You do not want to assume, my bro. Do not assume that price is gonna go up immediately when price right here. I've made this mistake so many times when I was in my first year. In my first year, I see price bounce off, right? Wow, I immediately enter for a buy right here already. Alright, you do not want to do that, man. Do not do that. Because there's so many times I enter for a buy here, and then I still see price go back down here. And I was like, what the hell? How did that happen? What the fuck, man? Like, all the trading books have been telling me to just buy at support. You know what I'm saying? Buy at support, sell at resistance. All the trading books, all the trading videos have been telling me to do that. But guess what? They are wrong. They are wrong. I'm here to teach you the correct way. Alright, correct way is to wait for the market to show you some sort of sign. That is what price can do if price bounce off this level, right? There's a lot of things. Another thing price can do is also break past this key level. And when it does break past this key level, I know that a lot of you guys will immediately enter for a sell when price break through this key support level. Because I myself made that same mistake. Alright, I'll just enter for a sell immediately. And that is still not being patient enough. A more patient way will be to wait for price to break, retest, and continue going down. That is when you can enter for a sell when price has retested it. Because right now, if price break out of this level, most of the time, I would say 80% of the time, it is actually a fake out. Because that is how banks and all the big boys in general grab liquidity, right? They will purposely force the price break through a key level, and then all the retail traders, they enter the breakout right here, right? And then guess what? All the big boys, they push the price back up. And guess what? You lost a whole lot of money right here. So you do not want that to happen to you. So you always want to wait when price just made this like beautiful bounce. You do not want to enter right here. Okay, so when you see like a V like this, when you see like a VJJ, like this VJJ, right? Never ever enter. Never ever enter this VJJ, alright? You want to wait for a W, you know, wait for a W, you know. W, yeah, W, then that's when you can enter. Or you wait for bam, bam, bam. This is like a V and V. Alright, you see V, normal V, and then inverted V. That's when you enter, okay? But you never ever enter on the VJJ. I think I explained things pretty good, right? For JJ. I don't know how many points there is already, alright? I don't even know how many points I went through already. But that is a very key point that you guys must understand. Do not just enter right here. Wait for price to either create your new higher low like this, create your new higher low and go up like this, right? Then this is when you can enter for a buy it up, alright? So this means that price is going to reverse, right? Or you wait for price to form double bottom. One bottom, come back down to retest this level, and this is when you can enter for a buy again when you see that price is unable to break past this support level. So those are the two circumstances where you enter for a buy when price is at a key level. So when do you enter for a sell? When price break through this support level, come back up to retest this support level and go down like this, then this is when you enter for a sell. You never ever enter when price breaks through like this, alright? When price just poke its head through, never enter for a sell. Wait for price to retest. That is when you enter for a sell. As simple as that. Before we continue with this video, I really need your help, guys. So if you're still watching this, that means you are really part of the tribe, and I love you. I love you, alright? So make sure you go down to the comment right now and just let me know if you guys like longer videos like this, where it's like 20 minutes long, 30 minutes or 40 minutes long. Those are the long videos, right? Or do you guys prefer like shorter videos like 10 minutes or 5 minutes even? Because a lot of you guys do not have like the attention span to watch this long ass tutorial. So let me know down in the comments, because I still believe that these long videos like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes videos are what will help you guys in your trading the most. Alright, so let me know down in the comments if you guys prefer longer videos or shorter videos. Just comment like either long or short, alright? Whatever, just comment down and let me know. And guys, please, this is really important because it determines the type of videos that I'm gonna make. Am I gonna make more longer videos or shorter videos? Alright, so comment down below. Yo, welcome to the Unfiltered section. So today I want to talk about what separates the successful traders from the losers. What separates the top 1% of the world from the rest of the 99%. There is this one crucial thing, this one key that the successful traders understand that normal losers do not understand. There is a reason why 90% of traders fail in this market. Because the 10% clearly understand something that the rest of the 90% don't, right? The key here is, wait for it, discipline. Discipline. D-I-S-C-I-P-I... D-I... I forgot. I'm not gonna spell it, alright? Discipline. The key here is discipline, alright? So, what exactly is discipline? Discipline is doing the hard things, especially when you don't feel like it. There is a reason why people become consistently profitable traders, because they consistently practice proper risk management. They stick to using lot sizes that is suitable for their account, so that when they do lose, they are losing less, and when they win, they are winning big. That's one point. Another point is they are consistently following their trading plan. They are disciplined enough to follow their trading plan, which is something that you are not disciplined to do. Alright, you are not. I know that you are watching this right now, you are not disciplined enough to do the hard things, especially when it comes to trading. Alright, so discipline. I really want to dive into the concept of discipline, because I'm only able to get to where I am today because I am a disciplined, hard motherfucker. Discipline over motivation. So motivation is like when you watch those like cringy Instagram posts like, oh, Warren Buffett made $1 billion by investing 5 companies. You know, like those type of freaking motivation quotes, or they see on Instagram, or you see on videos that is like, oh, wake up at 5 a.m. and get into a cold shower. You know, all those like motivational shit that just does not really work in the long run. Because what I mean by that is that motivation is fleeting. You can watch a motivation video and get motivated for 5 minutes. You watch an Andrew Tate video that tell you that you are a brokey, and then you get motivated by that by 5 minutes, in 5 minutes. And after that 5 minutes, what happens? You go back to your old routine of eating ice cream, watching Netflix, and just chilling on the couch like a fat, lazy motherfucker. That's what happens when you just be motivated. That's why you have to choose discipline. Discipline is like, I don't fucking feel like doing it today. You think I wake up today and I feel like recording this video? I can honestly tell you that when I wake up today, I woke up at like 7 a.m. and then I was like kind of lazy, and I was like kind of procrastinating on like whether I should record this video, because I honestly feel like kind of tired, man. I just feel like slacking, you know. I just don't feel like it today, you know. And I know that a lot of you guys don't feel like it every day, right? There is a lot of people who do not feel like it. I could have just laid down on my bed for another few hours, you know. I could have just done that. I have made enough money this month that I don't even need to make this video. I've made enough money this month, this year, that I don't even need to like make these YouTube videos anymore. But I still do. You know why? Because of my purpose, my mission is to serve you watching this video. So that is my mission. My mission on this channel is to help you become a consistently profitable trader. So until that mission is complete, I am not going to rest. So that is my like intrinsic motivation that allows me to be disciplined to do the things even when I don't feel like it. So another great example is working out, right? Like, I remember 3 years ago, I was a skinny little twig, you know, skinny little twig. And then I was just doing a lot of bad habits. Like, okay, all this sounds like a lot of self-improvement shit, but trust me when I say that your self-improvement journey is directly correlated to trading journey. That's why a lot of concepts that I teach you guys on this channel kinda applies in life too, right? Like discipline applies in life too. Risk management, trading psychology, it helps you to become like a better human in general. So a lot of concepts that I teach here not only help you become a better trader, but also become a better human. So that's why I say like some of the self-improvement habits that I picked up really like helped me in trading. So like I said, a good example is working out. 3 years ago, I was a skinny little twig, skinny, broke, you literally doing all the bad habits that a teenager can do, right? Like jerking off every day, watching pee, I don't know, like eating junk food and not eating healthy, playing video games, and being like a total loser who has like no direction in life. That was me 3 or 4 years ago. 3 or 4 years ago.
Son, you know, once you start, there's no going back.
I know.
This means total commitment. Once you begin the path, there is no leaving the path. Are you sure you're ready for that?
And just look at that. With the right amount of discipline, in 3 years, you can get from here to here. And that's what I have potentially done. I'm here to lead an example for you, be a role model for you. Like, that's what I've personally accomplished, right? If a skinny, broke, loser, nerdy, loser who has nowhere, no direction in life, can become the man I am right now in 3 years, you can too. Alright, you can too if you implement the correct discipline. So how do you implement discipline into your life? So let's first start off about talking about like trading discipline, right? Because if you're watching this, you are interested more in like the trading discipline instead of like the self-improvement shit, right? So trading discipline, things like following your risk management plan, using small lot sizes whenever you trade, compared to those big lot size that will wipe out your account in one trade. Alright, a very good tip is go on to any website or Play Store and download a position size calculator. You can literally just go search position size calculator, and there is a lot of apps and websites out there that basically helps you calculate your position size for you. So once you get to this position size calculator, use it consistently. Alright, before you take that trade, use it. Type in how much you are willing to risk per trade, and are you okay with losing that amount of money? If not, use a smaller lot size. Basically, keep on using this calculator until it becomes a habit. Until it becomes a habit, alright? Repeat it with me. Until it becomes a habit. Everything that you are doing right now is gonna be hard at first, alright? Like using a position size calculator, that is hard for me at first. I don't know about you, but it's hard for me at first. At first, in my first year, I still end up going to that position size calculator, calculated my lot size, but I still let my emotions get the best of me and still end up using a lot size. So, which is really stupid of me. But you know, what can I say? We are all humans, right? We all make mistakes based on our emotions. But what you can really learn is to keep on practicing this. Keep on trying to force yourself to use the goddamn position size calculator until it is ingrained inside your head. Alright, so that's one point. Another point would be follow your trading plan until you die. Alright, no matter what, every day before you start trading, whenever you wake up, whatever, take out your trading plan and read through it. Alright, follow your trading plan. Alright, if you do not have a trading plan, you are a total loser and you need to start creating a trading plan. No plan, you're gonna fail. Alright, without a plan, you plan to fail. Alright, so you have to create a trading plan and then follow it consistently. Right, so how you can build discipline throughout these things is that by doing it and making it habits. Alright, I talked about this in the last Unfiltered episode. You gotta make these things like your habit. Alright, just like brushing your teeth. Right, so for me, like I said, back to the story, 3 years ago, I was a skinny little twig and who have like nowhere to go in life. Then that is when I started like getting influenced by my friends to start going to the gym, right? So I start going to the gym and then I start working out, like still not consistently. I'll work out like whenever I feel like it, honestly. I'll work out like maybe once per 2 weeks. And when my friends want to go there, I'll like, okay, I'll just go, you know. I don't really want to go, but you know, I'll just go because my friend wants me to go, right? So I'll just go because of my friend, not because of actually want to go, but because I'm kind of like peer pressure into it. Alright, which is a really good thing, man. I thank God my friend pressured me to go, man. Thank God. So yeah, so I'll just go there, lift some light weights, you know, 1 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, because I was skinny back then, right? So I'll just lift some light weights and then like I only go to the gym when I feel like it. But now I go to the gym when I don't feel like it. And that is where I'm able to build this fine physique that you can see right now. I'm wearing a hoodie, so you probably can't see the physique, but look at this broad shoulders, man. Freaking broads, bro. I'm looking like a silverback gorilla these days, bro. Yeah, so basically, discipline allows you to accomplish a lot in life, man. A lot, right? So reading books has also helped me progress a lot in life. So all of these things, I did not feel like it when I started out, right? So, okay, like to the gym, I started going to the gym more and more consistently about 2 years ago. 2 years ago, that is when I started going to the gym every single week, right? Like 3 times per week. I started off with 3 or 4 times per week. I start going to the gym consistently until it becomes a habit that is ingrained into me. Like right now, I'm working out every single day. And I literally feel like shit if I do not work out. Think about how mind-blowing that is. 3 years ago, I feel like shit when I actually work out. But right now, I feel like shit when I do not work out every single day. It has become a habit that is like so ingrained into me that I can't get rid of it. And right now, it doesn't even feel like work to me anymore. It doesn't even feel like a discipline to me anymore. It just feels like it's a part of life. right? It's part of life to grow physically, mentally, financially, emotionally, whatever, right? So that is the point that I want to drive today: discipline. So make sure that you guys really have the discipline to do the hard things, especially when you don't feel like it. So oh my god, man, like I know like these episodes are super long. So if you guys want, what you guys can do when you are listening to this unfiltered trading section is that you can either play it in the background when you are like doing your things. Maybe you're hitting the gym and you need some motivation. Listen to this, man. Listen to this episode. And or you are like just, I don't know, like whatever you're doing, you can just play this in the background. You don't even have to watch this video. Like right now, this is like essentially like a podcast, right? So there's one thing you can do. Another thing you can do is you can just go to like the YouTube and then you can change the playback speed to 1.5x or 2x. I'll recommend you to put it at 1.5x if I'm speaking slow. Sometimes I'll speak slow, right? So if that happens, you can put it at 1.5x, right? So discipline, boys, get discipline. Boys and girls, alright, get discipline. Trust me, discipline is the way to go. Take the path with the most resistance. Do not take the easy path. The easy path in trading would be to flip small accounts, right? Flip small accounts, flip $50, use lot size, get to $100, get to $1,000, and then end up using bigger lot size and end up the $1,000 account became back to $0, and now you're back to square one. Alright, that is the easy path. Right? I can flip small accounts every single day if I want, but I do not want to do that, right? Because that is the easy path. I want to take the most resistance path, which is to follow proper risk management. That is so hard, but you know what? I'm not gonna give up, and you should not give up either. It is hard, but trust me, it is worth it in the end, alright? It is absolutely worth it in the end. And if you ever need help with discipline, go follow me on Instagram, alright? You follow me on Instagram, my main account, at Guangyi, at guang.yi, that is my main account. You follow me on there, trust me, you're gonna be motivated. And once you get motivated to do the hard things, you're gonna get discipline, alright? So if you ever really need discipline, I mean like you need motivation, just go follow me on Instagram. I literally post motivational shit every single week. Alright, I will post like highlights of me working out or like reading books, like basically my life in trader and my life as a trader and how I get to where I am today, right? So go ahead and follow me on Instagram right now. And make sure you guys like this video if this video was helpful. This unfiltered episode was absolutely fun to make, alright? So make sure like this video and leave a comment down below if you guys really enjoyed like the unfiltered section, like especially when I talk about discipline, which is something that not a lot of YouTubers, trading YouTubers talk about on this industry. And I just hope that I can change this industry for the better for you, to help you become profitable. So make sure like this video, comment, and hit on that subscribe button. Violate it, alright? If you have not subscribed, be part of the tribe. Come on, join the tribe, and trust me, you will become consistently profitable as long as you watch these videos, study them, and implement them. So welcome to the tribe, and remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.